Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this rose gold smoky eye. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I think it's very pretty, very flattering, and perfect for any special formal event that you have going on. I've been seeing a couple people do their own rose gold makeup tutorials, so I figured I'd jump on the bandwagon because who doesn't love rose gold? I mean, let's be serious, everybody does. So I know I did dye my hair, if anybody's wondering, like, no, you're not crazy. I did actually dye my hair. From the last video that you see, my hair is darker now, just because I did want to darken it a little bit more for winter. Let me know your thoughts on the new color. I'm going to keep it throughout the winter, and then for summer I'm probably going to go back to a little lighter the way I had it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to start off with this Mercier Eye Basics eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to blend that out with my finger until it's nice and blended. Grabbing the Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this shade right here, which is an off-white creamy color. I'm just going to take that with a blending brush and just put that all over my lid as my all-over eye color. Next, I'll be grabbing this shade right here as my transitional shade. I'm going to be putting that in my crease and just buffing that back and forth in windshield wiper motions until it's nice and blended out. Going in with this shade right here, which is a little bit more of a darker brown, but with subtle shimmers in it, I'm taking that over top of the transitional shade, and again, windshield wiper motions, except this time, I'm really focusing that right above my crease because I kind of want to create a higher crease for myself since I do have hooded eyes, and I want this to be a very subtle cut crease. I'm going to grab this darker matte brown, and I'm going to apply that over top of the brown that I've just applied. It's a lot of layering, but that's kind of like my makeup style. I really like to layer colors and just really intensify them gradually. So I'm taking this brown, and as you can tell, it really deepens the look and really creates that smoky effect. Now to kind of cut my crease, and I don't really want to call it this because I don't really consider this look to be too much of a cut crease, but this really helps that glitter pop. I'm just going to take some concealer and carve out my general lid area, and then I'm going to apply this rosy shade from the palette, and I'm just going to lay that down as a base before I go in with the glitter, and as you can tell, it really helps to really make that color pop by putting that concealer. Here I'm just grabbing Stila's Magnificent Metals and Kitten Karma. This is a beautiful rose gold glitter. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that over top. I mean, you guys can see it for yourself. It's super pretty, and I love working with this. This is like slowly but surely becoming my favorite way to just use glitter because these are so easy to use and so beautiful. I'm grabbing the black shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply that directly on that fake crease, which is the higher version of the crease that I created for myself. You just really want to make sure you're taking your time to blend this out so you don't have any harsh lines. So from all that blending, I did have some fallout from the glitter, so I'm just going to take some makeup wipes and just clean off all the excess. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. I will list all the details, as always, in the description box, so make sure you check out all the details for all the names of the products that I'm using. Moving on to the face, I'm going to grab some Too Faced Hangover RX, and I'm just going to be using this to prime my face before foundation. And for foundation, I'm taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y315. And I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. To conceal, I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer in the shade Medium Sand. I'm going to apply this to my under eye area, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and then I'm just going to blend that out. To set the concealer and the rest of my face, I'm just going to take some Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to work on the under eye area really quick, so I'm just going to grab some of that brown that you see here, and then I'm just going to apply that to the under eye area to just really smoke it out a little bit more. It's always a really important step to me when doing a smoky eye. I just feel like it's never complete if the under eyes are bare. I'm grabbing that first frosty white shade, and I'm applying that to my inner tear duct, and I'm also using it as a brow bone highlight. Now I'm just running a couple coats of mascara on my lower lashes. And then I'm going to go in with bronzer. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the City Color Sunset Bronzer. I'm taking the Becca and Chrissy palette, and I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm using this more as a bronzer topper on top of the bronzer that I've just applied, just to give it a little bit more of a glow. And then for highlighter, I'm taking this shade right here from the palette as well. It's more of like a peachy, rosy type of highlight, which I think really complemented the eye really well. Moving on to lips, I'm grabbing this liquid lipstick from PUR, and then I'm just going to go over top of it with this Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty, and that's going to complete this look, you guys. So you guys, that's pretty much going to complete my rose gold makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!